students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see the first problem of exercise 8.1. Actually students, this is simply true or false, but it's very confusing for students why it is true and why it is false. Okay, so if you understand the main basic properties of quadrilaterals, then it's very easy. So students, please watch the introduction video of this chapter. That means in that introduction I explained all the properties of quadrilaterals. So please watch that video. The link will be given in the description. So see, first one, every parallelogram is a trapezium. So here, to answer this question whether it is true or false, you have to learn, or you have to know what is the parallelogram properties and what is trapezium properties. So here the question, every parallelogram is a trapezium. Okay, see what are the properties of parallelogram? Quadrilateral with two pair of parallel sides. For trapezium, a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so parallelogram lo okati extra undi, right? Okay, yes, parallelogram can be a trapezium. So next, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, so here opposite sides are parallel and equal, only one pair of parallel sides, but here two pairs of parallel sides are there. Okay, and opposite angles are equal, and there is no question or a point for angles. Diagonals bisect each other, and diagonals not bisect each other. Only in regular trapezium only diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so we can say here two pair of opposite parallel sides are there, one pair of opposite parallel sides are there. So a parallelogram can be a trapezium. So it is true. One pair ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది, but two pairs ఉన్నాయి కదా. So yes, it is true. So in reverse, can you say all trapeziums are parallelograms? No, no, no. We cannot say, because in a trapezium only one pair of parallel sides are there. But here we need two pairs of parallel sides for parallelogram. So all trapeziums are not parallelograms. So second one, all parallelograms are quadrilaterals. A parallelogram has four sides and it is a closed figure. So any closed figures with four line segments or four sides is a quadrilateral. So it is true. Okay. So here third one, already I explained, it's just reverse of first one. All trapeziums are parallelograms. Simply it is false, because a trapezium has only one pair of opposite parallel sides. But in a parallelogram, two pairs of parallel sides. So all trapeziums cannot be parallelograms. So it is false. Fourth one, a square is a rhombus. So a square is a rhombus. That is the question. Okay. So in a square all sides are equal, and in a rhombus also all sides are equal, and here all angles are equal. In a rhombus opposite angles are equal. So all angles equal means opposite angles are also equal, no? So next, to diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Here also diagonals bisect each other at right angles, and here one extra point is the diagonals are equal. So we can simply say a square can become a rhombus. See, suppose this is a square. Simply I am changing the angle. If it is like this, it is right angle all over. So if I turn like this, okay, if I changed angles, then it will be rhombus now. So we can say a square can become a rhombus. But the reverse is not true. A rhombus cannot become a square. So the answer for this, a square is a rhombus. Yes, true. Next one, every rhombus is a square. So I already told you a rhombus is not a square, or every rhombus is not a square, because in a rhombus each angle is not 90. No? Yes, all the sides are equal in both cases, but coming to the angles here, in a square అని ఎప్పుడు అంటాము if each angle is a right angle, but here each angle is not a right angle, so we cannot say a rhombus is a square. So a rhombus is not a square. I think you're understanding my points. Okay, why it is a rhombus is not a square? Based on the angles we are seeing. Why a square is a rhombus? In a rhombus adjacent sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. So opposite angles equal అయ్యాయి కదా square లో కూడా. So a square is a rhombus, but a rhombus is not a square. Okay. So next, last one. All parallelograms, all rectangles. So all parallelograms are not rectangles, but all rectangles are parallelograms. So it is a parallelogram. Yes, opposite sides are equal in both cases. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, and in rectangle also opposite sides are equal. Okay, sides are equal in both figures. But coming to the angles here, only opposite angles are equal. Okay, but here all the angles are equal and they are right angles 90 degrees. So parallelogram rectangle avadu kada, avvali ante yes, each angle must be right angle, కానీ each angle right angle ఉండదు కదా. So we cannot say a parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, but reverse we can say a rectangle is a parallelogram. Why? Opposite angles are equal na, 90 90 only na. So rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is not a rectangle. So it is false. Okay. So students, this is our first problem solution. I think you understand without any confusion. So please like this video and please share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.